Good day, everyone. Let's continue our visual diagnosis on trembling lips, filled lips, and swollen lips. Trembling lips. The most common cause of trembling lips is spleen deficiency. It may also be caused by blood deficiency with empty wind or stomach fire. Spleen deficiency. Slowly trembling lips, pale complexion, poor appetite, tiredness, slight abdominal distension, loose stools, pale tongue with empty pulse. Talk about blood deficiency with empty wind. Trembling and dry lips, itching around mouth, dry skin, slight tremor of the head and or hand, facial tic, dizziness, blurred vision, unilateral numbness, and or tingling of limb, pale and thin tongue, choppy or fine and slightly wiry pulse. Talk about stomach fire, rapidly trembling lips, red lips, bleeding gums, tense thirst with desire to drink cold liquids, foul breath, dry mouth, mouth ulcers, burning epigastric pain, mental restlessness, bleeding gums, dry stools, sour regurgitation, nausea, vomiting soon after eating, a feeling of heat, tongue is red with a thick, dry, dark yellow coating, and the pulse is deep, full, rapid. Description and symptoms and their indication. Lips shake or tremble, pale lips, face, tongue, weak pulse. It is an indication of spleen Qi deficiency. Lips with twitching or shaking, pale lips and nails, thin pulse. It is an indication of wind due to blood deficiency. Peeled lips. Peeled lips refers to lips that are peeled, fresh red, cracked, and swollen. The causes of these are either spleen heat or spleen yin deficiency with empty heat. Talk about spleen heat. Peeled, fresh red, cracked, and swollen lips, dry lips, mouth ulcers, thirst, burning epigastric and or abdominal pain, excessive hunger, red tip of the nose, dry stools, a feeling of heat, scanty dark urine, yellow complexion, and the tongue is red with dry yellow coating, and the pulse is overflowing rapid. Okay, spleen yin deficiency with empty heat, peeled, dry, cracked lips, poor appetite, poor digestion, retching, gnawing hunger, loss of taste, slight epigastric pain, dry stools, thin body, sallow complexion with red tip of the nose, night sweating, a feeling of heat in the evening, malar flash, red tongue without coating, and transversal cracks on the sides. And the pulse is floating empty and rapid. Description and symptoms and their indication. Peeled lips without color, change, red tongue, yellow coating. It is a spleen heat, the indication of spleen heat. Peeled red lips, dry mouth and thirst, irritability, red tongue, scanty coating. It is an indication of yin deficiency. Okay. Swollen lips. A swelling of lips always indicates heat. Usually, either damp heat or toxic heat affecting the stomach and spleen. An acute swelling of the lips may also be due to an allergic reaction. Talk about toxic heat affecting stomach and spleen. Swollen dark lips, thirst, feeling of heat, mental restlessness, pustular rashes, swelling, pain, headache, red tongue with red points, and thick, sticky yellow coating. And the cause is overflowing, slippery, rapid. Now, damp heat in the stomach and spleen. Swollen and bright red lips, a feeling of fullness and pain of epigastrium and lower abdomen. Poor appetite, a feeling of heaviness, thirst without a desire to drink. Nausea, loose offensive odor, a feeling of heat, dull yellow complexion, and sticky taste. And the tongue is red with sticky yellow coating, and the pulse is slippery, rapid. Okay, wind heat in the skin. Swollen and bright red lips with acute onset. Urticarial rash, swelling of the throat, itching, red eyes. This corresponds to an allergic reaction to foods or to a bee sting. Description and symptoms and their indication. Okay, red swollen lips with a dry mouth, red tongue, dry yellow coating. It is an indication of toxic heat in spleen and stomach. The description of red swollen lips with poor appetite, red tongue, yellow greasy coating. It is an indication of damp heat. The description of itching and swollen lips with clear discharge and burning pain after broken. It is an indication of lip wind due to stomach fire. The description and symptoms of pale swollen lips, lips that are dim and lusterless, cold limbs, ready and weak pulse. It is an indication of chi depletion. Thank you for your listening. Have a good day, everyone.